The D7500 has this 20.9 MP DX format CMOS sensor. Get this, it's the same one they put in the D500.
Well, hold on. The same sensor as the D500. That's got to be a big deal. So what does that mean for someone who's like actually thinking about buying this camera? How do you see it in the photos?
Well, it means you're getting amazing image quality,
Mm-hmm.
especially in low light. Like imagine you're at a concert, or maybe you're trying to capture the vibe of a restaurant all dim and cozy. This camera can totally handle it. You'll get those crisp details and vibrant colors even when the lighting isn't perfect. And if you're into fast action shots, the D7500 can shoot continuously at up to 8 frames per second.
Okay, wait, break that down for me. 8 frames per second. What does that mean for like someone trying to capture their kid scoring a winning goal at a soccer game?
It means you hold down that shutter button and you get a whole series of shots, like a mini movie as the action's happening. No more missing those awesome moments. You just pick the perfect shot from the bunch later on. And speaking of capturing moments, the D7500 shoots 4K Ultra HD video. It's not just for photos anymore. It's a serious contender for making films, too.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I was just going to say, we can't forget about video. This isn't just your average video mode. We're talking features that filmmakers actually use, like power aperture control.
You got it. Power aperture control. It lets you adjust the aperture while you're filming smoothly, which is super important for getting that professional cinematic look with those nice focus transitions. And oh, we can't forget those amazing 8-core lenses. The D7500 works with a whole bunch of them. They can really step up your photography and videography game. It's like having a whole arsenal of creative tools. Plus, it's compact, so it's the perfect all-around camera.
So we've got this D7500 packing some serious power and versatility into a small body. But at the end of the day, what are people who actually own this camera saying about it? We've got a ton of Amazon user reviews. Anything jumping out at you?
Oh, absolutely. Real world experience. That's always the best test, right? I was just looking at this one review. Someone was kind of hesitant to switch from their Pentax camera system to the D7500, but now they're totally blown away by the picture quality and the autofocus. They even said that the 1840 millimeter lens that usually comes with the camera is excellent. That's a big deal coming from someone who is clearly a diehard Pentax fan for years. That's awesome. Really shows you how the D7500 can win people over. By the way, if you're interested in checking out the D7500 for yourself, we've got a link to its Amazon page down in the description below. So we've been talking about how powerful this camera is. But what about ease of use? Is this only for like experienced photographers? Or can someone who's just getting started with the SLRs pick it up and learn pretty quickly?
Good question. There's actually another review that hits on that. A photographer with over 60 years of experience said that even with all the fancy features, the D7500 is surprisingly easy to use. They even mention how intuitive the tilting touchscreen is for navigating menus and looking at photos.
So it sounds like Nikon found a way to pack in a ton of power and still make it user-friendly. I bet that's a big draw for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Speaking of draw, I found this other review that raves about the low-light capabilities. This person took some amazing shots at a concert, crisp and detailed, without even using a flash. They were blown away by the high ISO performance, which basically means you get minimal noise or grain in those low-light situations.
Yeah, and that goes right back to what we were saying about the sensor. The D7500 has the same sensor as the D500. It's definitely delivering on that promise of amazing low-light performance. Honestly, I think that feature alone makes it worth a look. Oh, and hey, don't forget to click that link in the description to check it out on Amazon.
Okay, this one really caught my eye. A bird photographer was gushing about the D7500's autofocus and how fast it can shoot continuously. They were able to capture these crazy split-second moments of birds in flight, like perfectly clear images, which make sense when you think about it. It can shoot up to 8 frames per second. Imagine freezing the movement of a bird in flight. Now that's impressive.
It is right. It just shows you how versatile this camera is, whether you're shooting fast action or just a casual portrait. The D7500 can keep up. I think that's a huge selling point for a lot of people.
Totally. It's like having an entire photography toolkit all in one camera. But I got to ask, are there any downsides? No camera's perfect, right? What are people saying about any potential drawbacks?
True, no camera's perfect. I did see a couple reviews mentioning some minor things, like some photographers pointed out that the D7500 only has one SD card slot. Some other cameras in this category have 2.
Okay, so that could be something to think about for professional photographers who really need that extra backup in case a card fails. But for a lot of photography enthusiasts, one slot is probably fine. Did you find any other criticisms?
A few people mentioned that the D7500 doesn't have built-in image stabilization, but a lot of those Nikkor lenses you can use with it do have vibration reduction, so that helps to kind of even things out if your hands are shaky, especially in low light or when you're using telephoto lenses.
So not a deal breaker by any means. And let's be real. We're talking about a camera that gives you exceptional image quality, awesome performance, and a ton of features, all at a really good price. Plus, people seem genuinely happy with it based on all those Amazon reviews, I think it's safe to say. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile DSLR, the D7500 is worth checking out. And you know what? We've got a link in the description. It'll take you straight to the Nikon D7500 product page on Amazon.